Hey guys, so today is 2nd October and I see a lot of college students. They have organized a campaign where they clean the beach. I was just wondering, how about we take a moment and think of all the polluted thoughts go through our mind throughout the day. How about we spend some time with ourselves and get that clarity that which thoughts are really causing us a lot of the harm. Many things that are there in our thoughts, things are not that worse. We make them worse in our head. So let's take a moment and revisit those thoughts and try to correct ourselves.